Set is an unordered collection of items, which means the items will appear in a random order. Unlike a dictionary, set does not allow duplicate values. The values, once defined in a set, cannot be changed. However, you can add or delete values from it. Elements in a set cannot be accessed using an index, but can be printed together or traversed through a loop. Only one type of data can be punched into a set. You will see this in the lab. To declare a set, use curly brackets. Let us declare a set. You can add items to set using add function, or if you want to add multiple items, pass values in an update method. To remove elements, you have various methods. Each of them serves a unique purpose. I will show you using some examples once we get our hands dirty with the code for the set. Here, I'm declaring a set called languages and assigning different values to it in curly braces. In sets, you cannot be sure in which order the items will appear. As sets are unordered, we cannot access items using indices like we do in lists, but we can traverse it using a loop. By this time, you are now comfortable with using for loop to iterate through sequences. Type for items in languages. Next, print the items. The output cell shows items in a set one by one. Moving to the operations that can be performed on a set, such as add, update, remove, pop, etc. Remember, once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new items by using add and update methods. That is, set values are immutable, but set itself is mutable. The add method adds a given element to a set. If the set is already present, it doesn't add any element, as duplicates are not allowed in a set. Here, I'm adding Android as a new element using add method. Now, print languages, run the code to see the result. Android is now part of set languages. You can also update a set with any iterable. Let me pass a list of values. Type languages.update and now pass a list of values as arguments. Print languages now. As you can see, Go and Java are now added to the set. If you pass a dictionary as an iterable, only keys are stored. Languages.update and pass a dictionary to it. Now, print the set languages and see the new values are added to the set. Notice only the keys are stored. To find length of a set, use len method, as we did in the earlier lectures. It returns 9 as mh set consists of 9 elements. Here, I am using the membership operator to find the existence of an item. If Go in languages, print element found in set. Let us do something useful with it. If an element found, delete it from the set using remove method. Type languages.remove and pass the value where I'm passing Go. Print the set. As you can see in the result, call element Go is deleted from the set of languages. Python offers another method to remove an item, and that is discard. Let me try this for you. Type languages.discard. Now print the set to see the changes. As you can see, the element is no more part of the set. The difference between remove and discard is that if an item is not present, discard method will not raise an error, whereas remove method will raise an error. To make my point clear, let me remove A again using the remove method. It raises an error. However, if I use discard, no error will be raised. The del method will delete the set completely, and clear removes all elements from it as seen in the earlier lectures. Here, I'm going to clear the elements of the set languages. Type languages dot clear. Notice all elements are removed from the set. If you want to remove memory references, then use del languages. Sets can be indexed or sliced. However, Python provides a whole host of operations on set objects that generally mimic the operations that are defined for mathematical sets. Let me give you an example of set operations here. Declare two sets. Name one with some values, say Pakistan, US, and Australia. And names two with UK, UAE, US, and China. Now I'm going to perform union over them. Union can be performed in two ways, either by using pipe operator or by using union methods. I will be discussing both of them here. Type names1 dot union and pass names2 as an argument. See, both the sets are merged together. See, US has only appeared once in the result, as sets elements are unique. Notice this method returns a new set and both the original sets are in the original states. Now, I'm going to perform the union operation on the same sets, but this time using the pipe operator. Type names1 and names2 along with the pipe operator. See, you get the same result. Both behave identically, but there is a subtle difference between them. When you use the pipe operator, both operands must be a set. The union method, on the other hand, will take any iterable as an argument. First, it converts the iterable to a set and then performs the union. Let me show you an example. Type x1 is equal to 1, 2, and 3. Now, I'm going to perform union operation with set x1 with the tuple having values 4 and 5. Run the code, it throws an error. Unsupported operand type or types for union. Here, I tried to merge set and tuple together using union operator. However, the same thing can be performed successfully using the union method. Type x1 dot union and pass the tuple to it. Run the code and see no error occurred, and both tuple and set are merged together. Union method first converts the tuple into a list and later performs union operation. Moving on to intersection and set difference. Intersection returns common elements from two or more sets. Type names1 dot intersection and provide names2 as an argument to it. Now run the code. See, the output cell displays US as it is the only common element present in both sets. The last set operation, difference. It returns a set containing the difference between two or more sets. Here, I'm finding the difference between sets name1 and names2. In the print function, type names1 dot difference names2. The output cell shows Pakistan and Australia and result, as both these countries are not a part of set 2, but they are a part of the set 1. Now do the same operation in reverse order. Copy and paste the cell and edit the values. It returns UK, China, as they are not present in names 1, but they are present in names 2. Observe the difference between two results and learn this operation. So, this is it for set and set operations.